Welcome back to Affiliate Offer. Now today's video I'm going to show you some of the website that we can use as a UHRS alternative, and I'm doing this because I've received so many comments in the comment section of our YouTube videos that I should make a video about some of the UHRS alternative websites, okay? Because of late, UHRS has been so dry, and this has led to low income to everyone who is working on UHRS. So many people requested that I should show them some of the website that they can work on as UHRS, okay, where they can make a good amount of cash, okay. So after doing my research for some weeks now on different sites, I realized that there is one site that is almost the same like UHRS, and where you can make a good amount of cash, and also most of the HITAPPS that are available in that site is almost the same like the ones that we find in UHRS, okay. So the site that I'm talking about, guys, is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, and this is the site. So if you want to dive into this site, if you want to register, just Google Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTURK, then click on the first link, and if you click the first link, you'll get to this page. So if you want to register as a worker, or if you want to make money out of this site, you just come up here, then you register as a worker. Don't sign up as a requester, because the requesters are the people who are uploading the jobs for us to do. But I believe if you're watching this video until now, then I believe you want to make money from this site, okay. So just register or sign up as a worker, then key in your correct details, and they'll have to send you an email. So you'll have to check your email. Then after some weeks, after verifying your application, if you are lucky enough, they'll accept you, and you'll have to connect your payment details, okay, in this site, okay. So for those people who don't know Mechanical Turks, Amazon Mechanical Turks is just like UHRS. Here they're saying that it is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually, just like UHRS, okay. So just a platform like UHRS, but now the difference with the UHRS is that this site, they don't outsource this job to other vendors. So if you want to work on it, you just register through it, or you register on it directly, and you get access to these jobs, okay. So let's say that you are lucky enough and you get accepted to work on this site. If you log in, this is how the site or the dashboard of this of Amazon Mechanical Turks looks like if you log in, okay. And guys, I'll urge you to watch this video until the end, because before the end of this video, I'll tell you the advantages of using this site and also the disadvantages of using this site, okay, because it also have some disadvantages compared to UHRS, okay. Now one of the things that I like about this site is that it has so many hits. Like now, look at this, I have over 2,000 hits, or these are HITAPPS. These are different jobs that are available right now. I have over 2,000, you see, and this from 1 to 20 of 2,600, okay. And if you've been working on UHRS, I don't think there's any person who has over let's say 500 HITAPPS in their dashboard. If you have over 500 HITAPPS in your dashboard, kindly let us know in the comments below how you got that, or you can even just send a screenshot of that for us also to see. And also, if you have any other UHRS alternative site then you can also tell us in the comments below kindly. We all need to make money, all of us, so let's just help each other. Okay, so like now in Amazon Mechanical Turk, you can see we have over 2,000. I have over 2,000 hits in HITAPPS in my dashboard, and mark you, this is a new account. Okay, as you can see, I haven't made any cash here. I just made like less than $5 actually. This is a new account. Okay, and this Amazon Mechanical Turk has a potential of someone making over $1,000 every week. It's possible, guys. I've seen it happen, and this will only depend with how you are working and how determined you are to get that cash. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like, and these are some of the HITAPPS that are available. So on the left here, you see these are the requesters. So these are the owners of these hits. So in case you are working on a HITAPP and you get an error or there's something wrong with that HITAPP, you can contact these people directly, okay, and tell them what you want to tell them, okay, or the problem that is available with that HITAPP. Okay, so compared to UHRS, you can't get access to the owners of the HITAPP directly. You must contact them via UHRS, and here you can see you can contact these people or email them about their HITAPP that they've uploaded here if there's in any case there is a problem with that HITAPP. Okay, so just like UHRS, also here you'll have to qualify for some of these HITAPPs before you start doing them. So for like this one, you can see for qualification they're saying brand classification audit is not granted. Okay, so for this in difference with the UHRS, you'll have to request for qualification. So for like this one, if I want to do this HITAPP, I'll just request for qualification. Yeah, here they're saying qualification request successful. Your request for this qualification, okay, that one has been submitted to the author. Okay, so I'll wait for them to accept my qualification request and send me a test for me to start doing. Okay, so guys, good thing. Now let me just tell you some of the advantages of working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, now one of the advantages is that there's always hits available. Like here you see I have over 2,000 HITAPPs, 2,500 HITAPPs. To be exact, I have 2,655 HITAPPs. Okay, so there is no day that I'll always miss something to do here. Okay, I'll always get work to work on or to do on Amazon Mechanical Turk. That's one of the advantages, and the main reason why they have so many HITAPPs is because that this site is not available worldwide. It's available for a few people in some parts of the world. So so for that, what I mean is that less people are working on it. Okay, not like UHRS where right now there are so many people who are working, so people are scrabbling for the hits that are available. That's why sometimes you can see a hit is maybe 40,000, but after 30 minutes you get that notification that the HITAPP or the hits are listed out, come back sometimes. So for that, it's very minimal when you're working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, that's one of the advantages. Now another advantage of working on Amazon Mechanical Turk is that you get paid after 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days. It will depend with how you set your payment. Okay, so for that, let me just show you. Open this in a new tab. You can set your payment. Maybe let's check this out. Yeah, you see, payment frequency. we will process a payment automatically based on the frequency you set. Now you can set it for you to get payment after 3 days or 7 days or 14 days or even 30 days. Now as you can see here, me I've set mine to 3 days. So after working, after every 3 days, I'll always get my payment. Unlike a UHRS where for the first payment you can get it maybe after 30 days. This is for the first payment, you can still get it after 3 days depending on how much you'll be having inside your account. Okay, so you can also get it after 7 days or even 14 days or 30 days. That will depend with how you set it up. Okay, another advantage of working with the Amazon Mechanical Turks is that you get to set your goals. Okay, you know, it's good to always have goals when you're working. Okay, so like here you can see here they're saying reward goals. So you can set goals of how much you want to earn every day, or how many HITAPPS you want to work on every day. So you can set that on this account, and when you're working, you also see how you're progressing with your goal. Okay, now another advantage is that let's say that you're working on this site as a full-time job. Like I know some of the people are working on UHRS as a full-time job, or you've been spending too much time on UHRS. You get to access premium qualities. Okay, you get to access premium qualifications. That will depend with how much time you've been working on this site and how much or how much time you've been working on it, and how much frequency or accuracy you've been setting on the HITAPPS that you've been working on. Okay, if you've been judging the HITAPPS correctly, you get access to premium qualification. And if you get access to premium qualification on this site, that means that most of the jobs you'll be getting will be of high pay, and some of the jobs that let's say that the hits are now, when the hits were so many and now they are less, you'll be given those hits. Okay, they'll prioritize you for some of the hits which most of the people won't get access to. Okay, so it will depend with how much or how much time you put inside here, and how accurate you are for that. And the same thing, you'll also achieve masters workers, and for that masters worker, that means that you'll always get more hits in your account. Okay, that some of the people are not doing. Like you can see here, I haven't reached the masters workers in this account, but I have reached it in another account. You can see here they're saying masters has not been granted. So when this is granted, now I'll get access to do this HITAPP, and so many HITAPP that will require me to achieve the masters worker. Okay, to achieve that. Okay, now so those are some of the advantages of working on this site. Now for disadvantage of working on Amazon Mechanical Turk is only one. This site is not available worldwide, and that's why not so many people knows about it. Okay, so like me, it is not available in my country right now, but I can get access to it, and that's because I'm using a VPN. And in case in your country you can't get access to it also, I'm sorry about that, but for you, the only way you can know if your country can get access to Amazon Mechanical Turks is by you trying to register on it. If you get rejected, I'm sorry, you'll have to look for another way of you to get an account. So for those people who will like to get an account, there's an email in the description of this video. Just contact me through that email, and also comment in the comment section here. Just write MTURK, then email me through the email you'll get in the description of this video, and I'll tell you how you can get an account. Okay, And for those people who are looking for VPN, there's a link for the best VPN that I recommend you to use in the description of this video also, okay? But if you are working on UHRS, remember that using a VPN is really dangerous. You can get your account suspended when you are working on UHRS, okay? So the best way you can do this is, if you want to work on Amazon Mechanical Turk and you also have a UHRS account, always have like 2 browsers. So one browser you'll be using the VPN, but also don't work on the UHRS account the same time when you are working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So log out of all UHRS accounts, then close those tabs or those browsers, then open a new browser and open Amazon Mechanical Turk. Always remember to disconnect the VPN after using it, okay? But the best way you can do that's only if you have one PC or one laptop. But if you have 2 PCs or 2 laptops, the better. So one of those laptops you can install the VPN, and that laptop you'll only use it to work on Amazon Mechanical Turk, okay? Then the other laptop you can use it to work on UHRS, okay? Because if they realize that you're using a VPN, they'll suspend your accounts, okay? So be very careful when you're working with VPNs, okay? So guys, this is how the dashboard of Amazon Mechanical Turk looks like, okay? This is the dashboard. You see how the dashboard looks like. Approval rate, my approval rate right now is 80%. They've rejected 3 of my requests, which is okay. And the earnings that I have right now in this account, this is a new account, it's only 2 days if that, so I haven't made much in this account. So guys, thanks for watching, and in case you still have questions about Amazon Mechanical Turk, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are in our Telegram group, then you can also ask questions in that group also, okay? So thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. In case you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video and hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time that we upload new videos like these ones, okay? Thanks for watching, and bye.